Guys, if your iPhone is not connecting to your MacBook, then keep watching this video. In today's short video, I'll explain the reason why your iPhone might not be connecting to your MacBook and how you can fix it step by step. So let's get started without wasting any time. Method 1. Check cable and USB ports. When your iPhone isn't connecting to your MacBook, the first thing you should check is the cable and USB port. Cheap or fake cables often cause issues and your MacBook may not detect the iPhone at all. If the current cable isn't working, try another lightning cable. The issue might be due to a damaged or faulty cable. Also, if the port you are using doesn't work, unplug the cable and try a different port on your MacBook. Sometimes a USB port might be loose or not functioning properly. To properly connect your iPhone, plug the MFI certified cable into both your MacBook and iPhone. Unlock your iPhone. You should see a pop-up that says Trust this computer. Tap Trust and enter your passcode. Now open Finder on your Mac and your device should appear on the left side. If it doesn't, try restarting Finder or reconnecting your device. If you are using macOS Mojave or earlier, open iTunes instead of Finder. Method 2. Reset location and privacy. If the Trust pop-up doesn't appear on your iPhone, try resetting the location and privacy settings. Here's how to do it. Open the Settings app, tap General, swipe all the way down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, select Reset Location and Privacy, enter your passcode and confirm. This can help trigger the Trust prompt again when you're reconnecting to your Mac. Method 3. Update your iPhone and Mac. Sometimes connection problems happen due to outdated software. To update your iPhone, open the Settings app. On the Settings, tap General, tap Software Update. Here, download and install any available updates. To update your MacBook, click the Apple menu in the top left corner and go to System Settings. Tap General on the left sidebar. Tap Software Update on the right side. Tap Check for Updates and install any available updates. Make sure both devices are running the latest version of iOS and macOS. Method 4. Reinstall Apple Mobile Device USB driver. If your iPhone still doesn't appear at all, even after doing all the steps, disconnect your iPhone, click the spotlight search icon and search for terminal. Open the terminal. Now type and run this command. Copy this command from the description and paste it here. Enter your Mac password. This command refreshes the Apple Mobile Device USB driver. Now reconnect your iPhone to your Mac and check again in Finder or iTunes.